first graders, Miss Purcell here. We are going to do another reading comprehension activity. This story is called Carla's Piggy Bank. Our learning target is I can tell about a character or describe them by looking at their outside and by paying attention to what they feel, think, and do. So if you look at our little organizer here, here's my little person. We can tell about their outside by looking at them, by using their physical traits. What we see, we could say that this person has brown hair, they have a pink and yellow dress on, they have a smiley face, they are not very tall, things like that. But I can also tell about their inside. So if I'm reading a story, I can think about what the character thinks, what the character says, what words they use, and what actions they show, what they do. So I'm going to have this computer read us the story called Carla's Piggy Bank, and I want you to be thinking about the main character, Carla. I want you to be able to tell me what she looks like on the outside, and I want you to be able to tell me what she's like on the inside by thinking about what she does and what she says and what she feels. Okay, here we go. Carla's Piggy Bank.
Benchmark Education Company proudly presents Spot On. Follow along as I read. When you hear this sound, turn the page. Carla's Piggy Bank by Patricia Abello. Illustrated by Juan B. Oliver. Realistic fiction. Use the genre information below to help you read this book. Realistic fiction. The story has a beginning, middle, and end. The setting could be real. The characters act like real people. The events could happen in real life. Carla's Piggy Bank by Patricia Abello. Illustrated by Juan B. Oliver.
Oops.
Carla has a little clay piggy bank. Every day, Carla puts some coins into the piggy bank. Carla does chores to earn money. She helps walk the dog. She helps one neighbor paint the fence. She helps another neighbor plant flowers. Each day, Carla's piggy bank holds more coins. When it is full, Carla is going to buy something. Each day, Carla thinks of something different. Sometimes she wants a teddy bear. Sometimes Carla wants a book. Other times she wants a necklace. Carla wants so many things that it is hard to decide. The days go by. Carla's piggy bank is full at last. What is she going to buy? Is she going to buy the teddy bear? Is she going to buy the book? Is she going to buy the necklace? Carla sees Marcella next to the piggy bank. I want a piggy bank too, shouts Marcella. Now Carla knows what to buy with her savings. Carla buys a piggy bank for Marcella. I am going to keep on saving, says Carla. The next time I will buy something for me.
All right, first graders, now it's your turn. You can turn the page on this seesaw activity and go to the next page, and you are going to describe Carla. You're going to tell me what she's like on the outside and what she's like on the inside. And if you're feeling stuck on that, sometimes good readers go back and reread the story. That's what good readers do. All right, good luck.